In this video, we'll be looking at the palindrome interview question in JavaScript. My name is Larry, and this is Digital Logic. To get started, you'll need to download the project from GitHub. The link is in the description below. I've also provided a linked introduction video to the series, which will walk you through setting up your development environment. With that out of the way, let's get started. So I've already got the project open in IntelliJ. So I'll open up the project browser and then open the palindrome.js file. For this challenge, you need to write a function to determine if a string is a palindrome. A palindrome is a sequence of characters and numbers that reads the same forwards or backwards. Make sure to ignore capitalization, punctuation, and spaces. Here are some examples demonstrating the expected output for the provided input. Once you have a solution that you're ready to test, open up a console. In VS Code, the shortcut is Ctrl-tilde, and then type npm test palindrome, and then press enter. And as you can see, the current solution is failing the test. The testing framework will test any function that you include in the module.exports list. So you can provide multiple solutions, and the testing framework will test all of them. So go ahead and pause the video here and try to come up with a solution to this challenge. When you're ready to continue, come back here and we'll walk through a couple different solutions. Welcome back. So I'll start by renaming this function to replace. And then update the name that is being exported as. So I'm going to start by reassigning the string property to str.toLowerCase. And then call replace. So I'm going to provide a regex to the first parameter of the replace method. And I want this regex to select any character that is not A through Z, 0 through 9. The /w meta character selector will select any regular word character A through Z, 0 through 9, and underscore. Capitalizing the W will invert the selection, but it'll still leave out the underscore. So I'll add a set selector and then include the underscore within it. And then add the global search flag. The second parameter defines the replacement string, and for this I'll provide an empty string. So at this point we've removed capitalization from our string, and we've also stripped out punctuation, underscores, and spaces. So now we just need to check if the back half of the string mirrors the front half. So create a new for loop, let f equal 0, and b equal str.length -1. Set the execution condition to while f is less than b, and then increment f and decrement b. And now create an if statement, if str, and we have a couple different ways to access a single character within a string. We can use the char_et method, or we can use square brackets and pass in the index. And then we want to check if the character at position f is not equal to the character at position b. If the statement is true, then return false. If we make it through the for loop without ever returning false, then return true. Save the file, and then open up the console to check the test results. And it is passing the test. So in the last solution, we used a regular expression to strip out any characters from the string that we didn't want. In the next solution, we'll use a regular expression to select the characters that we want to keep. So I'll create a new function, and I'll name it select. And then create a new constant, string array equals str.toLowerCase. Now call match, and then pass in a regex as a set selector A-Z 0-9. This will select any character A through Z, 0 through 9. And then of course add the global search flag. So now we just need to check if the first half of the array mirrors the back half, and I'll use the same process that we did in the last solution. So now create a new for loop, let f equal 0, and b equal string array.length -1. Set the execution condition to while f is less than b, and then increment f and decrement b. And now if strArray at f is not equal to strArray at b. If the statement is true, then return false. And if we make it through the for loop without ever returning false, then return true. Make sure to include this function in the module.exports. Save the file, and then open up the console to check the test results. And it's passing the test. Well, that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. If you want to support the creation of these videos, then check out my Patreon page. The link is in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video.